And time we will come with another story for all of you now. Amidst the ongoing protests against the brutality and extrajudicial killings by operatives of the Special Anti-Robbery Squad (SARS), Bbnaija Season 4 first runner-up Mike Edwards has disclosed his intention to lead the #EndSARS protests in the United Kingdom, where he currently resides. Announcing this on Twitter, the reality star volunteered to lead the protests, and he also urged Nigeria in diaspora not to be silent. His tweets read, "I want to lead the #EndSARS protest here in London. Who will join me? Nigerians in this diaspora, let's not be silent." Just recently, singer Wizkid, who has been vocal about a need for a complete scrap of the Special Anti-Robbery Squad (SARS), gave his assurance that he will be part of an upcoming protest in the United Kingdom scheduled to hold on Sunday, October 12th. Just like Wizkid is using his platform to amplify the voices of Nigerian youths, singer Davido is back home in the country is also doing the same. The singer recently tweeted that there is a need to dialogue with the top government officials of the country as soon as possible. Davido also added that the meeting must be held face-to-face as opposed to a virtual arrangement. In his tweets, and I read, "We need dialogue with the top ASAP. No Zoom, no phone call, no IG live. We want face-to-face." Then Divine Okore tweeted, "You can make it happen at Davido." Davido replied, "I will." Meaning a protest is going to hold in London on Sunday, October 12th, where Wizkid and Bbnaija ex-housemate Season 4 will be attending. Any other news on this issue will be brought to all of you guys, so don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified when we post a new video. See you when I see ya.